Hey, um, my first lab test, and it's actually a really big update that they're doing. Expanded on fishing, community currencies, a bunch of other stuff, so let's get right into it. So let's go check out the tech clubs first. We'll start in ocean, because that's where the majority of the new stuff is. Actually, no, that'd be the other thing. We'll start up over here by the fishing stuff. There's a new crab cage, and essentially you can go crabbing now and catch crab, sea urchins, and other various things. I think there's like a king crab and a lobster as well. There's a new alarm light as well, and this is useful if you have built a lighthouse or something. Over here there's a bunch of new PvP stuff, so there are two new mines, the stuffed naval mine and the wooden naval mine. Basically they're just better land mines. The harpoon and the harpoon gun. This is a harpoon, just you can throw it and it'll get sunk a little bit. Essentially what you can do is you can load a harpoon into the chamber and then just fire it somewhere, and you'll get flung some distances. And if you shoot it at a player or somebody or something, you'll get sent flying. What was removed was the staff teleporters and the stuff on the field tank. But where they have gone is this new tech club, the Community Worlds Tech Club, or what are they called? The Worlds Tech Club. You can buy these signs now. Start there. It's bugged right now. There's two staff things. One of these should be a hide and seek. One of them is another one. I don't know what this is and why there's a price tag here. And yeah, but all this stuff was moved here. This would be a great update to add owner teleporters and owner buttons, but they didn't do that. So, and the main focus of this tech web is all the community currency stuff. I'm not gonna go do what Ender did and put a bunch of community to get all the stuff in the promo code machines, because I frankly do not have time for that. Essentially, you can now get community currencies. So this sets the tokens in a lobby. This is the button to set tokens. This adds tokens, daily reward tokens, time token thing, team things. Down here, item trader. So if you're looking to make an adventure map like I did, code Allo's World, this would be useful for if you're making a dungeon or something. And then the token exchanger, you can exchange various tokens for other colors of tokens. Token threshold, I'm not sure what that does. I think that only works if you have a certain amount of tokens. This is a teleporter, and like this, it only works if you have tokens. And then the max tokens rule. Yes. And then the token display. And I believe in the next few labs they're gonna add a leaderboard, so you'll be able to compare your tokens. Unfortunately, Fishy Harbor was removed from the public world. Well, not the public world, the whatever it's called, adventure. Now it's gonna be a beginner minigame, so let's go in there. There's a lobby here now, and they've expanded this map to be, I think, 112 by 80 by 112, so they can a bunch of this new stuff over here in. So now there's a little pool area. There's a lighthouse, and yeah, that's how the whatever it's called works. Here's the shark that I forgot to show on the beach tech web. It's just like a horror mob essentially. He just kind of swims around. He actually looks kind of cute, but if you get too close, he'll jump scare you. With crabbing, you can now cook new things. So I think there's 3 new crabbing recipes, and that's pretty cool. And is its own section of fishing now. However, to get this crown, which is very broken, you'll need all the legend of the fish and on the fishing catalog. If you go all the way down past Sea Dragon, there's a bunch of new crabs that I have not caught yet because I'm waiting to get the crabbing net. So there are basic crabs, spider crabs, lobsters, sea urchins, and then the king crab. Actually, this will be replaced with a beginner tech web, and I don't really know how that'll work. So you'll probably be able to get this stuff in the crabbing net on there, but I don't really know what else would be on there. And there'll also be achievements with that, as per usual. Alright, that'll be all. This is actually a pretty small but big update, if you kind of know what that means. Essentially, tokens, crabbing, and other stuff, whatever. Bye-bye.